I come about that come on the life turn on, cause since then say Vani can't fight and Vani a idiot. Me want the life for turn on. Cause I just want a man touch all my room door and just, you know? Go on like them tough in idea, yeah. No, I said the so-called landlord come. She dey downstairs. Chat. I not say nothing, but just there me I go and bill. I go downstairs, take up a supplement. She have, I don't know if her live she dey. I don't know if she dey on her live or she have video. Chat. And I met her. I go downstairs, I do what I have to do. Come up backstairs now. Go in the bathroom, me or she a talk on her phone. I say, Ivany should be in this room. Me have message. In my phone. When I tell her, say, the people that might live there, look how them left the place. And she says, screen record it, take a video of it and show it to me because she want to show the police them. So I have that video there for can say, yeah, she tell me to do it too. Everything. But when you go come and you go do this is not for me today. Me not do this. This I will me not do, period. Me not do it. So I want to turn on my life because since everybody bad and everybody want to show them colors and can show say yeah them a bad girl. I want somebody pull my door, like how I come down from downstairs and come up and I lock the door. I'm not calling the police now. So like how I lock the door. I want somebody come upstairs and show them for sure. Samira, talking at the phone.
And no one is trying to block her up or not trying to allow her to.
Samira, talking at the phone because my ear upon the life say, I'm come downstairs. Like, on the feast, I'm afraid to come downstairs.
Who said you scared?
Me hear you talk on the phone say, Bonnie upstairs and she in her room and you're for your life.
You heard me.
I sure this, I sure that like say.
She didn't run away.
I heard her on her live, Bestie. I heard her on her live.
Wait, no, she didn't. She wait.
I'm talking about coming downstairs. Like
Yeah, she said some girl came in her life.
So I turned on my live too and show because I don't know where y'all trying to
no, she said some girl came in here and was like, Bonnie's on live. She said, tell
I was on my TikTok live.
She said, Bonnie can come downstairs because I have a couple of questions to ask her. She didn't say.
You don't want a question. You say Lisa up April 1st. You say Lisa up. Can't not talking.
Did you not?
I don't do talk. I was knocking the entire day and I called the police. I was on live. And I know that Destiny works at night, so she will be here in the morning. I called, this no good. Too much talking now, too much talking. Okay. You, me? I should clean the room. I should clean the room. I have message in my phone when I told you that the girl left. And you know what you said? You said video it and show me because you're going to show the police for them to leave it like that.
Did I say to clean it?
Nah, clean it, you're crazy.
Did I tell you that? But you told me.
Me have to live out the rent, you know. And that's the truth, you know. Me have to live out the rent, you know. How you want me to pay my rent and leave? No, I'm not going to pay rent and would you pay rent and leave? Destiny, would you pay your rent today and leave tomorrow? You wouldn't do that. You would have lived on to your rent. Yes.
She and her boyfriend say, her husband say to leave. I don't know. No, me have to live out the rent. You might, maybe you have to call Cheese and you have to call Nikki Blacks. Maybe they can back you. Because this.
She's a habitual liar.
The April 1st has been for a whole month. That date has been since I've been in this house by myself before Bonnie has came. The April 1st date for us to move out, that's when the lease is up. Her husband say leave ASAP. I have the message in my WhatsApp. Say leave ASAP. I'm a social media influencer. I gotta be on live. That is what I make money. I'm a social media. I don't do the talking. No, I don't do talking, baby. From the moment I do this and close this, and if one of y'all touch it, God come take this today. I don't do talking. I don't do it for talking. Cause she come here upon our live like, what the fuck? You come here on your live and you come and do nothing? Calling her, no answer. A long time after Destiny come and say you could pull the door, it's long time. Come, police come. So since Cheese are back, you tell Cheese to buy her ticket and come prove something on live. Cause Cheese a boots you. So tell Cheese to buy her ticket and she come over here, come help you do what you have to do. Make Cheese buy your ticket and she come over here. Cause me ready for show something on my live. Me ready for it. But you think of Jamaica this one time she could have did make blood clot shake come on me yard and come try nothing. No one for come do it. No. A long time outside I call for the door pull. Ask Destiny how much missed call is on her phone. It's long after.
That's what you told people, which is a lie. Clear up your lie. She didn't hear you.
Clear up your room, them. Don't clear up the three dirty room, them. And that you figure clear up. The room, them. That you figure clear up. When we can't sleep inhale it and die. What lie did I tell? I called the police to say that the door was closed.
Listen to your conversations on live that I made her lock the door on you so you couldn't get in, which is a lie.
You say the same Cheese that they're picking up her, you're going to see what you're going to get. One thing that she's a good person.
You're a liar. That's what you are, a liar.
Ivan the sensation liar.
Because you lie on the internet to get likes and follows.
No, girl, I'm popular. I have my name. I'm a social media influencer. You want views because that's what you did. You come here on live. You're looking views. You come here on your live. I can't look views. Remember, you asked me to promote your shit. So how you want me to promote your shit? Or you want me to promote your motivation quotes if you think I don't got views? I don't do things for views. I already got views. Don't do that. You're talking about cleaning my life. Clean up your rooms, girl. You gotta clean up your mess.
All you do is lie.
Alright.
Because you're a liar. Stop lying so much.
Me can't. This is what we not do.
That's your problem.
I'm gonna say you lock up the room. So you waste your time come for this?
You're a liar.
So you waste your time for this?
You came out here to talk to me.
No, I did not come out here. You said Ivan is in her room and you want her to come ask some questions. That's why I came out. Because I was on TikTok live. I was on my TikTok live. No. You said she's in her room and you want to ask her 2 questions. That is why I came out. But when I came out, I realized that you're on your live and you're doing this for your live. Because you heard that the police said, that anything that you post on live is nothing. So anything I post is nothing. It's just the same. Why you post is not a problem.
But if I post is a problem,
I heard that.
you post your.
I heard that.
You have to heard it because your sister look like she's. I was talking to the police right there. So if you can post things on social media and it's not a problem, why can't I post too? I gotta post. But I tell us a minute in a this.
If you stop lying, so
Wow, you're a Christian who's never tell lie. You're a Christian who's never tell lie.
that's a liar. You cannot clear up your lie. Bonnie, did I tell
Girl, you're off dirty and it's truth. It's the truth. Look how long.
You don't even
Did I? You're the one who said to video it. Didn't you say, because you're going to say it to the police when I say that they left the room? Okay, argument done. So how could I go into video if I don't go